Welcome everyone to my new video presentation on PEPECOIN price prediction for late November 2023, looking for discovering what's happening behind the language of the market in the most rational way possible. Even though we talk about a cryptocurrency, which is most likely a meme coin, there is a lot to share in terms of the space. At the meantime, make sure to check out the main coaching program directly one-on-one with me, where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade. I'm going to talk about it at the end of the video. By the way, you can schedule up a free conversation with me on Calendly about coaching and trading, including the ability for you to join my done-for-you trading that is running on commission, no prior fee, completely outsourced. So let's talk about PEPECOIN, guys. One-day candlesticks. We're looking at the long-term details here. And one thing is for sure, a situation that has been extremely interesting across the past couple of weeks. Why is it so? Because PEPECOIN 28 days ago has reached a specific top, which is very, very difficult to break out. You see here a cloud, which is the volume weighted average price indicator, and the cloud has an upper line, a median line, and another lower line. So it has three different lines which are all acting under pressure. Depending from where the market is traded, that's how the pressure is being built around the lines. So the market was traded below the median line, which is the blue line, and that's how we have been punished with a decent selling pressure. At the end of the day, the decrease from that top till the ultimate wick was 25% for PEPECOIN on that specific time, which was at the beginning of November, and we haven't been able to break out of that successfully so far. So this is a market situation where PEPECOIN sits right now as a sleeping giant. Why do I say and call it as a giant? People disagree with that. They say, look in a comparison way at the other crypto altcoins that are having extremely strong fundamental projects and stability behind their price action, which is something that is missing from PEPECOIN. Obviously, some cryptocurrencies look a lot better than others in terms of how does the project has an impact. That's right. But unfortunately, the project deliverability and strength is not always portrayed in the price. So when we are talking about from a trader standpoint, I care about the price, and if it's being delivered along the way with many other things, that's right. But I care about the price action to be delivered. So if a crypto delivers the price action, I don't have to position myself for no reason against, because compared to others, it doesn't have the same strong fundamentals. And I hope that makes sense to you as well. This is the thinking that I have, folks. So at this time, at 130, we have touched a supply zone. We have touched a supply zone, which is marked with the blue color. We have touched as well a blue line, which is the median line of the volume weighted average price. And we have been struggled. Then we did another retest. That was a major retest, which almost looked like a successful breakout. Unfortunately, things have been rejected at 140, which is the ultimate top of the supply zone. 140 is the maximum level. If you close above 140 in a bullish price action candlestick, you're good to go, guys, up to 190, 200 on PEPECOIN's price. But we have been dumped once again, and then the crypto space had a little shakeout going on in the past 24, 48 hours, and the markets basically were punished even more, having the alternative of being supported basically on the lowest points of these specific market structure that we're trading at. So right now it's pretty much mandatory that PEPECOIN is having a forceful reaction towards with strength pushing to 120 and then trying getting above 130 and 140. Unfortunately, and I'm saying unfortunately, it's because we have the on chance to meet up at this point with the very strong supply level of the zone, which has been with us since the beginning of the year, that blue zone. You have basically the median line, which is a very strong indicator, especially that is heavily traded by the bots under big pressure. So volume is attached to that, which is always acting as a resistance. And you also have basically the resistance line of the trend that you're trading. PEPECOIN didn't broke out of this trend. At the moment, it's still there. So we're not talking about a trend breakout of PEPECOIN. We're actually talking about a situation where PEPECOIN has been able to move from the bottom towards the top of the trend, which is totally different, guys. We didn't broke out yet. So for those of you that are happy about a current situation, imagine how amazing are you going to be when the breakout happens and it's going to be confirmed. Things are going to go wild. And I'm telling you, when PEPECOIN is becoming a crypto that is again under the popularity of people, especially with the buzz around it and the lack of strength in the order book, this cryptocurrency is having the ability to print 200% throughout 3 to 4 days. So this is something that I consider as realistic target for the market that is pushing. That's what it is. So that's all on the topic. One thing that I'd like to attach is the EMAs that are holding us very nicely. We don't have the 200 days EMA. We don't need it at the moment. For the daily, it's impossible to have it. But 100 days moving average along the way with 50 days moving average is where we are receiving support right now. So that's not bad. On the other side, I'm taking the EMAs out. And I'm telling you, if we ever tend to visit the low line, which doesn't mean it is low from force or power or value. No, it's just because it's located on the lowest side of the volume weighted average price indicator. That green line, whenever we are about to touch that, it will act as a major support. So that's another great place to basically react, which we still have along the way with a great order book here, which is basically, a beautiful time of liquidation. So that's it on the topic, folks. PEPECOIN daily candlesticks. Once again, for those of you that are believing education is important and valuable in life, especially when it comes down to trading, for part-time traders and full-time traders, day traders, swing tradings, and so on, we are having a coaching program with me live where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade. I've been trading since 2014 and running YouTube since 2017. We're having a good time on the topic. Register now for more information I can share with you, or schedule up yourself a free call. At the same time, you can be part of my trades. No prior fee, only commission from the profits made, where we perform the trading for you through API. Looking forward to it. Have a good time, folks. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like video, and we'll talk to you soon.